Hey everybody, I'm in with Brivo. Dan Katz. What's your title, Dan?
Vice President of Sales Americas.
And Brivo is a longtime Mercury partner. I think maybe that's unknown sometimes, and I want people to know that Brivo is a great Mercury partner. It's been, what, 10-ish decade? Let's pick
call it a decade.
a round number,
Yeah,
decade of partnership. The Mercury integration is solid. You have lots of customers using it. Yes?
Yes, we love selling Mercury. Extremely dedicated to the Mercury line and selling it on a daily basis.
I think that's good because you're doing some pretty impressive stuff with the platform. You are a cloud-based solution. How do you describe yourself?
We are the leader in cloud-based access control, enterprise cloud-based access control.
And you've been cloud-based access control since the start?
Since approximately 1999.
Before anybody was doing cloud at that
Yes.
point. So that's a really long time. I'm trying to think how old I was in 1999. I was 15 years old, and I think we may have just gotten internet at my house. So you're doing cloud-based access control before I had internet.
I like to say before smartphones.
Okay. So I think maybe the Mercury integration is an important thing because you've sort of perfected this cloud-based access control solution. And I think it's every single meeting that I'm in now with an end user, they want to go to a cloud-based solution. And many of them are on-prem solutions today. So this Mercury integration, that would enable these customers to migrate to Brivo.
Absolutely, and we're seeing a lot of customers with Mercury panels that are moving to the cloud. You
Yeah.
see it all the time, really globally.
And it makes it easy for those customers to make that migration. How painful?
It's easy, there's very little hardware needed. The OpEx experience is lowered, much lower friction than necessarily replacing all of the hardware. We're seeing a lot of enterprise clients really adopting the Mercury solution.
That's great. So outside of Mercury, what else is cool? What's new integrations, new solutions that you're working on?
I could talk for like 30 minutes on
Let's
this.
not talk for 30 minutes on this.
Okay.
You get 30 seconds. How about that?
All right. So AI, data, Brivo Visitor powered by Envoy,
Okay.
our new Bosch radionics integration. We're just so excited about all the different recent releases. Apple and Google Wallet, mobile credentials, Eagle Eye integration. Eagle Eye just came out with gun detection.
Oh, yeah.
So I can hardly keep up with all the things that we're releasing. We are big on being an open platform. We are proud of it. We're proud of our awesome end users and all of our channel partners and API partners, and it's really a great time to be a part of this amazing company.
That's awesome. On some of the newer things you were talking about, if I were to maybe categorize some of those, I would say you have like this intelligence bucket. You have these new sensors and all this data that's coming in. And then you said AI. So I'm sure that the AI components make it a lot easier to sift through all that data because it's just a lot of noise at that point. It's so much data.
The AI is just blows my mind and people are really excited about it. As an example, you ask the interface, who came to the office yesterday at 2 o'clock, it'll tell you. So It's language models and things like that are making it much easier for super large customers to understand what's happening at their facilities.
Sure. And then I would say the second bucket, if I were to bucketize things, is maybe the user experience. So you mentioned things like mobile credentials and how the user is actually using the system. And that's something that in the past, I think many people didn't ever worry about. But now as we're on our phone more, as we are touching the system more, as the system's interacting with us more, it needs to be really user-friendly and appealing and exciting for customers to use. And I think you're doing some stuff there to accomplish that.
Yeah, so for the end user walking into a building, you want it to be a frictionless, easy experience. For the operator of the Brivo system or the security system, you don't want it to be a swivel chair experience. You want everything to work together in a unified way without having to do a lot of work. So that's Brivo's goal. It's unifying access control, video with Eagle Eye, intrusion, visitor, all in one security suite. And it gives the operator of the Brivo system an easy experience, and the end user walking into the building the ability to walk safely and securely through the building without much friction.
Look, I'll say this, Brivo's been a longtime partner. We love working with them. Their solution is really great. If you're a customer, an end user, and you want cloud-based solutions, you should really check these guys out, see their solution, see their integration, see the single pane of glass where you can use Eagle Eye for video, and you can use Brivo for access, and you can work with the Envoy solution for visitor, and have this enjoyable experience in access control. I think we need to start, that maybe is a new trend that we need to say, like, access control needs to be enjoyable.
I agree. And we're here for you.